What's underneath here? Oh, we will have a look right now. Hi and welcome back to the channel. This is the beautiful electronics blog and my name is Max Koschu. Here is a Siemens gas analyzer, the Oxymat 5E. Well, I have no idea about gas analysis and so on, but I think there are some very nice components, parts, modules and so on inside. So we will have a look inside right now. Just enjoy the pictures, just enjoy the electronics. That's all about. Yeah, let's do it. Here's a little display. Oddly enough, the writing is in French. It was probably disassembled in a French facility. Here's the rear side, which is interesting too. Siemens tested 1989 March, I guess. We have two large heat sinks, some data ports, inlets and outlets for gas. Wonderful. Yeah, I'm wearing gloves because it is really cold in my shop. I have already removed the top cover screws and we will have a look inside right now. Wow, this unit is really heavy. Wow. Look at that. First of all, there's a large board with a processor. Made by NEC. Above is a RAM. Some nice sealed relays. Some standard parts. This board is not fully populated. A rather large power supply with a Siemens cap made in 1988. 6,800 microfarads. Here's the full bridge rectifier, and here's another one. And that's what underneath this board. We see probably two RAM, but I'm not 100% sure. Down here are some voltage regulators or transistors. And there's a second board down below, so we will have a look at that, of course. And there we go. Nice. Another pack of relays. Another processor. This time it is Siemens stuff. Made in 1989. Wonderful. What happened to this EEPROM? Strange. Whoa, look at this daughter board. That's exciting. What's underneath here? Oh, we will have a look right now. This is a very interesting design and very unusual too. I guess this would make a great thumbnail for this video. This is a RAM, I guess, and here is an EEPROM. And there is this large module here. I can't take it apart completely because I want to sell this unit in working condition. Chances are, if I open it up, that I destroy a seal or calibration or something like that. I've bought a second one at the same eBay seller, which is probably faulty, and then I can show you the internals here. There's a large aluminum block. Wow. Here's probably a relay or light source or something like that. Here's a large electromagnet made by Siemens. Look at that. Crazy stuff. Wow. Filter. Yeah, thanks for watching. I will put this unit up on eBay. I hope I can find a buyer for this one. I need the space and I need the money. Yeah, speaking about money, thanks for all Patreon supporters. You can always also donate on PayPal directly. The link is down in the description. Well, if you can't or don't want to donate money, then thumbs up is always a great, cheap, free option. See you again soon. Bye. Oh yeah, 2 parcels to ship today for my eBay shop. Yeah, that's better than nothing.